Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. We all know how prices can change within the home improvement industry. So today we're going to talk about what an aluminum window will cost you in 2023. So if you're interested in an aluminum replacement window, you want to know how much they cost. Whether you want the cheapest replacement window or the highest quality one, we have the right answers. In 2023, an aluminum replacement window starts at $1,250 and up for a standard 3-foot by 5-foot window. Now we understand this is a broad range for the cost of a window, and it can go even higher than what we've outlined. You may be wondering, why is there such a wide range in pricing? Well, there's actually 3 factors that can affect the cost of any window. They're the quality, the installation process, and the warranty. Window quality. When it comes to window quality, there are 3 factors you want to be sure to have addressed with any company you want to work with. They are the functionality of the window, how energy efficient the window is, and any customizations that are available. All 3 of these areas can dramatically raise or lower the cost of your new windows. So be sure to adjust each category to be sure you find the best mix of your window needs and cost. Window installation. A higher quality installation is going to cost you more. It's as easy as that. If you're looking to lower the cost of your replacement windows, you can find someone who will install them at a lower cost, but you could be risking the integrity of your new windows. The installation might not be the best place to cut costs, to be honest. Even a lower quality window with a higher quality installation could be a better option for you. Installation is that important. Warranty. A high quality installation should come with a high quality warranty to protect your new windows. The warranty is a big blind spot for most people shopping for new windows and wondering why Company A costs so much more than Company B. So ask them about their warranty. It might just justify the cost. Now that you know how much aluminum replacement windows cost in 2023, you can have realistic expectations for what your project will cost. Remember that cost and quality have a direct relationship when it comes to replacement windows. The highest quality products and services will never be the least expensive. So it's important to outline your goals to create the right budget for you and find the best replacement windows that will meet all your needs. To help you kick off 2023 in the right direction, we included an article that shares 23 tips for home remodeling in 2023 so you can find the right window replacement solution and have a successful project. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.